This week, and also Module 4, will be about presenting data, and I'm assuming that's in the context of a presentation on a stage with an audience at a conference, or perhaps in your lab presenting your own results for a research update. In either case, you want to be able to present your data as clearly as possible, yet also in an interesting way. So I'm asking the question, what makes an interesting data presentation? I'm going to suggest that there's two major parts, and we're going to divide those into Module 3 and Module 4. Okay, so this week is about accuracy in describing trends and figures and comparisons, and making sure that just we say the words in the correct way. I think the second part that's really important, which we'll do next week, is the interpretation of the data. In other words, we'll get through this Module 3 as just kind of the very dry way to say this is what is in the data, and week 4 is what does that mean. So let's put this interpretation side off to next week, and this week just focus on clear speaking. So that will include phrases which I'll take from the internet. There's something called the Academic Phrase Bank, which is a wonderful resource by Manchester University, and we'll just look at the data sections for that. Then I'm going to give you a paper that is on a Word document that's just, it's very dry, but I think necessary. How to say really big numbers, how to say really small numbers, how to do proportions and comparisons. Then we'll get into a little bit more detail on some specific issues, and I'm going to challenge you to interpret some data about animal domestication. Again, not the meaning, not the impact, but just the numbers themselves. And then I'm going to ask you to describe the numbers of the coronavirus pandemic. Not the impact, that's going to be next week. Just give us the numbers and in an efficient way. Okay? That's what I want to stress, that this week is about efficiency. So please do take the time to write your sentences, if necessary, before you speak on your homework assignments, because we'd like accuracy and efficiency for this week. And I think that's all I have to say for the introduction, so let's get into the materials.